Hello, my name is Ryan Hughes and I'm Head of Active Portfolios here at AJ Bell. I'm here to talk to you today about one of our favourite funds, the Baillie Gifford High Yield Bond Fund. Baillie Gifford High Yield Bond is a high yield bond fund that looks to outperform the Bank of America Merrill Lynch European Currency Constrained Index over the long term. The fund invests predominantly in high yield bonds that are issued by companies across the European market. High yield bonds are those which have been classified by independent rating agencies as having less creditworthiness than other companies and as a result have to pay a higher level of interest on the bonds they issue. Baillie Gifford is an Edinburgh-based investment management company that has over 100 years of history. The firm operates as a partnership and is owned by its staff, enabling it to take a long-term approach to its business, which follows into their investment philosophy and culture across a wide variety of regions and asset classes. The fund is managed by Robert Balzer and Lucy Isles, with Balzer having been manager on the fund since 2010 and Isles appointed co-manager in 2018. Both have long experience of working at Baillie Gifford and are supported by a strong team of analysts. The investment process is very well defined with a clear investment philosophy that focuses on being long-term, patient investors rather than short-term speculators. Key to the investment process is deep analysis of a company's long-term prospects and fundamental characteristics in order to understand the risk of a company failing to pay its debt and default. This looks to identify resilient businesses that typically have a strong competitive position, a committed management team and a robust capital structure that should ultimately result in these companies being able to survive through a variety of economic conditions. Given the risk of possible default from companies, risk management plays a strong part of portfolio construction, with the portfolio well diversified with between 50 to 90 positions, and position sizes typically limited to between 1 and 2%. In addition, managers do not take active bets on interest rate positioning or currency positioning, with all overseas exposure hedged back to sterling to ensure that portfolio performance is driven by active bond selection rather than other factors. In our opinion, the strong long-term and disciplined investment philosophy and process is fundamental to the investment capability at Baillie Gifford, and it runs through the high-yield investment team. A clear focus on risk management and an ability to invest away from the benchmark allows experienced fund managers flexibility to let company selection drive returns over the long term. In addition, Baillie Gifford's commitment to low costs enables this fund to be one of the cheapest on the market. On our favourite funds page of our website, you can find a simple one-page AJ Bell report on this fund, which shows you some of the key information about the fund as well as our opinion on it. We hope that this short video helps you with your investment research and helps you choose investments that are right for you. The AJ Bell Favourite Funds list has been designed for people who like to choose their own investments, and you should do your own research to ensure that any fund you select is appropriate to your attitude to risk, your financial circumstances and objectives. The Favourite Funds list isn't a personal recommendation. If you're unsure about any of this, please speak to a financial advisor. Thank you very much for watching.